Freelancing gives you freedom, but it also comes with one big problem. Your income can change fast, and if you do not manage your money well, stress piles up just as quickly. In this video, I'm breaking down the personal finance tips every freelancer needs to know so you can stay organized, avoid tax season panic, and build a real financial safety net. Welcome to Cash Flow Corner. Let's get into it. 1. Separate your money. The first rule is simple. Do not mix personal money with business money. Open a separate checking account for your freelance income and expenses so you can clearly see what is coming in and what is going out. This makes budgeting easier, bookkeeping cleaner, and tax time way less painful. 2. Pay yourself consistently. Instead of spending randomly every time a payment comes in, set a consistent amount to pay yourself. Think of it like giving yourself a salary, even if the income varies from month to month. That one habit can make freelance life feel a lot more stable. 3. Save for taxes first. Freelancers usually need to pay estimated taxes during the year, and the IRS says self-employed people generally make those payments quarterly if they expect to owe enough tax. A simple habit is to set aside a percentage of every payment right away so tax money never gets spent by accident. If you want a starting point, many freelancers aim to save around 25 to 30%, then adjust based on their income and tax situation. 4. Build an emergency fund. Freelance income can be unpredictable, so an emergency fund is not optional, it is protection. Try to save 3 to 6 months of basic expenses, so one slow month does not turn into a crisis. If that sounds overwhelming, start with 1 month and build from there. 5. Track every expense. Every business expense matters, because those costs can help reduce your taxable income when they are ordinary and necessary for your freelance work. Track everything you spend on software, gear, subscriptions, internet, and client-related costs. Whether you use an app or a spreadsheet, the goal is simple. Know where your money is going. 6. Plan for slow months. One of the biggest freelance mistakes is budgeting as if every month will be strong. Instead, think about your income across the whole year, not just one good week. During higher-earning months, save more so you can cover the slower ones without panic. 7. Price your work right. If your prices are too low, you are not just undercharging. You are making it harder to cover taxes, savings, and downtime. Your rate should account for your business expenses, your tax burden, and the time you spend looking for clients, not just the hours you bill. A good freelance rate protects your business, not just your workload. 8. Invest for the future. Freelancers do not usually get employer retirement benefits, so you have to build that on your own. Self-employed people can use retirement plans like a solo 401k, and the IRS provides contribution rules for self-employed retirement savings. Even small monthly contributions can make a huge difference over time, especially if you start early. 9. Keep a simple system. The best money system is the one you actually keep using. You do not need a complicated setup. You need a repeatable system that moves money into the right places automatically. Simplicity is what keeps freelance finances manageable when business gets busy. Common mistakes. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid: mixing business and personal money, waiting until tax season to think about taxes, and forgetting to save during your best months. Those mistakes are common, but they are also avoidable. Fixing them early can save you a lot of stress later. Freelance income may be unpredictable, but your financial habits do not have to be. If you separate your money, save for taxes, build a cushion, and plan ahead, you will feel a lot more in control of your cash flow. This is Cash Flow Corner, where we make money make sense. Subscribe for more smart finance tips, and drop a comment with the one freelance money habit you are starting this week.